Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to be prepared for any job? Check out this super complete set of DEWALT FlexTorq bits. So this kit is awesome because it is a 100-piece set. There is a huge variety of bits in this case, and the case keeps it really well organized and keeps these bits really protected. So this is an awesome set to use with your DEWALT impact driver, and these are FlexTorq bits, so they allow you to easily transfer torque, so you are not going to lose your power when you are using these bits. So they're really easy to switch in and out of your drill or your driver. And they also have a really nice feature of a magnetic screw lock sleeve. So it minimizes wobbling, it minimizes dropping the screw, and it really holds onto it well, as you can see. So we just love this kit. So you really can't go wrong with this set, and that's my point of view.